Take two on finding the right beach. Is this the right beach?
I think so, yeah.
Right guys, good morning. Day 3 on our stay on this camping site. So, because it's day 3, we decided to do something different today. We're going on an adventure. We try to find a beach on the other side of the peninsula. And this is going to be interesting because addresses in Greece and Garmin, they don't work together, so but we'll find it. We'll discover it, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna worth the effort. So stay tuned.
Now let me give you a brief introduction about Greece safety gear on a motorcycle. Proper clean Gore-Tex suit, yeah, with Arma Cordura. Clean gloves, look, proper leather, vented for Greece. These are all D3O, yeah. They only have the color of the D3O, and obviously you need Daytona because boxer engines will burn your feet. Oti, anything to say about your safety gear?
Minden oké. Gore-Tex ingem van, kesztyűm és csizmám.
Minden oké.
Most minden oké. Safety.
Right, before we go anywhere, first is food. So. This was the longest waiting time for a bloody sandwich. Where we going, apparently is no shade, so right, so after a few disagreements between me and my son now, we arrive here, so let's go to the beach. Vamos a la playa. Beautiful beach, absolutely beautiful beach. Look around. But this is one of those stories when has to be a catch, and the catch is underneath the water. The water is absolutely crystal clear, but after a few debates, we realized we are on the wrong beach. It's not the right beach that we was looking for. What's next? We're moving camp. Mujer, vamos. Mujer, take two on finding the right beach. Is this the right beach?
I think so, yeah.
Jesus, he's hot. Hot, you alright? Let's go and have some lunch. Guys, I don't know if you can hear me. We just had a nice refreshment because it's hot. And we are in a nice little bar called Climax. Somewhere in Greece listening Italian music. It doesn't matter. Look at that beach over there. I think we nailed it with this one. If not, woman, I ain't gonna ride anymore from here.
Let's go eat.
We're going for lunch now. So, Oti, lunch? Everyone is for lunch. So. Our host for today here at this fantastic bar.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful,
Yeah.
beautiful. Beautiful.
Thank you for having us. The day we had. See, this is the proof that sometimes in life you have to work a bit more harder for beautiful things. You know, the life has to offer to you. So, and this is a perfect example. We start in the morning. We had 3 attempts, literally 3 attempts to get here. I had a bit of an argument with the sat navs, but eventually we got here. And I don't feel sorry at all because this is a piece of heaven. And look at that. Everyone is happy. Now, time to go back to the camp to have something to eat and maybe to have a cold one. So that's it for today. Booyaka! Next time, peace!